But stress out. Some of them gal I need for stop. You don't know it's your girl, dear. Hi guys, what's up? What's poppin'? Good morning. Now, Aisha is looking like a puff because she just woke up. I just woke up. It's like after 8 or something. Oh god, after 8. Say hi.
Hi.
As she wake up, the first thing what she do, run to the fridge, take out one sweetie, up in your mouth. Yeah, that's the first thing that she did this morning. Ari, she go bathroom, go use it because Ari is a people bed turkey. She's always peeing the bed. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, today's video is going to be a little bit different. I want to do some covers today. So, I've invited over a friend of mine because he can really sing. And I was saying we could do some covers for you guys and stuff. So, I'm going to be doing a vlog today. Firstly, why are you smiling like that? Who giving you a joke? Why are you smiling so hard? Pew, pew, pew. Yeah, guys. So, I'm going to be trying to do some vlog today, but I think I'm going to be doing some laundry too. So, probably before he gets there, I'm going to be cleaning up and stuff. And I will breeze with you guys through and throughout the day, yes? Yes? What? 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 Stop calling me. Goodbye. Yeah, guys. So, I'll talk to you guys a little bit from this, okay?
I got the apple, Aisha.
So, you want apple? Want apple?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm going to piece. The apple.
Yay.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Eat all of the apple, you know. You like it, Aisha? Say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Eat the apple. You like the apple, Ari? It tastes really good, right? Nice. Nice. Eat it, Aisha. Eat the apple.
Wow.
Yeah, guys, so as I said before, throughout the day, the door kind of so I know so the lighting kind of messy right now, but throughout the day, I'm going to be doing small vlogs of what I'm doing. So basically, me I cut up some seasoning, and Aisha and Ariana thought the tomato was apple, sorry, my bad. And them like it. Aisha still eat for or eat down for a long time. Cause I tell them see apple, but like when I have to learn the style them when I turn mother, you know say wanna give the things them exciting names. You like the apple, baby? It tastes good?
I want more apple.
You want more? Alright, that's won't give you a piece. More apple.
Yes.
So you see, guys, normally you cannot get kids to eat tomatoes so happily, you know? Them not eat it them way, yeah. You have to cuss them. See? Tomato. She's saying apple. Okay, eat the apple.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Aisha is eating hers.
Bad.
It tastes bad. It tastes bad. No, it don't taste bad. It tastes nice. Eat it. But it tastes bad. It tastes bad, Ari? Tastes good? Yes. Alright. I'm going to make it taste even better. Right? I'm going to put something on it and then I'm going to give you guys to taste it. Salt! Who tell you? Who tell you to salt make it taste better? Who told you?
I thought make it taste better like that.
What? Who told you that?
Hmm?
Who told you?
The baby self.
Your baby self? There's a small baby living inside you?
Yes.
I can tell.
Okay.
Yeah, I knew that.
Mommy.
Aisha, do not throw away the tomato.
Mommy.
Come. So now I'm
is
going with
this-
the sweet pepper. No, me not give them to eat. It kind of look more like an apple, but I'm not going to give them the tomato, this thing to eat like that. We know we keep
Pepper.
This is sweet pepper. Yeah.
Sweet pepper.
Yeah. I shall leave that alone.
What is this, mommy?
That, pick it up.
Pick it up.
Yes, pick it up. That is called scallion.
Kellyanne.
Scallion.
Kellyanne.
Wait, I want to have a mean I say it right. You want to pick it up too? Pick it up. Scallion. Good girl. Good job. What name, Aisha?
Kellyanne. Kellyanne.
Scallion. Good job.
Mommy, they
So
can
I'm cut them in small strips like this, and then I dice them up.
Mommy, I cook to me.
If me I cook for you,
You can cook it to me.
yeah. Give me them, not to play with.
You can cook to me.
Yes, they're not to play with. I soon cut them. I cut up the sweet pepper first.
Yes.
Yes.
Then
I
you
cut up the
cut
sweet pepper.
the free.
Aisha, leave that alone. Stop.
Where?
Eat the apple.
Ah.
What? Nothing is on your hand. See? Kiss it. Kiss it and the pain will go away. Mwah. Good job. See? Pain all gone. Right? Pain is all gone. What? Pain not gone? Let me kiss it. Mwah. See? Pain all gone. Right? Okay, sister, kiss it too.
Mwah.
Pain all gone. See? Pain all gone, baby.
The pin. She pin. The eyeshadow pin gone, yeah?
Yes, baby, the pain gone. Probably kiss it, the pain gone. Right?
From the kiss it, the pin gone, yeah?
The pain gone, baby. The pain gone. The pain gone. Stop crying already. Okay, already, guys. So see it there. Seasoning all cut up and stuff. You have onion, scallion, tomatoes, sweet pepper. Aisha, what is wrong with you? Just stop doing that now. You're ruining the video. Stop.
Reach in.
Making dumpling.
You making dumpling?
Mm-hmm.
Roll it, let me see.
Hmm?
Roll it, let me see. Ah,
So,
good job. Good job. That's more like a festival though. You're rolling a festival.
yeah.
Yeah.
I'm running a snake.
Oh, you're rolling a snake?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Make it like a dumpling.
Make it like a dumpling?
Yes.
Okay.
Do it so it looks like a donut.
Hmm?
Yeah. Ah, what is that?
Hmm?
What is that?
It's Mr. Jumpy.
That's Mr. Jumpy. Let's see Mr. Jumpy. Hold him up.
Hmm?
Hold it up. Ah, that's Mr. Jumpy.
Yes.
Okay. Hi, Mr. Jumpy.
Hi.
Let him say hi.
Hi. Say hi, Mr. Jumpy.
Hi, Mr. Jumpy. Okay, so as you can see, the seasoning is all ready. So, yeah. May I wash the machine? Let's wash. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of that too. What you say?
Cook.
Cook? Cook?
Me I cook with Nick.
As you can see, I'm doing laundry right now. Just cleaned out the sheets and stuff. The machine, I make nice. In the soy machine I wash. Them the soon dry, and then when they're done dry now, I'm going back to. Me tired. Yeah, I'm really tired right now. Me tired, guys. Yeah, me really tired. But this is what you gotta do what you gotta do, and I don't know how the thing go. I know say me soon go beat up myself and nice up myself and do another vlog after this, so you guys can have something to at least laugh about, probably a story time or something. So me soon come back again.
So, what? That led you to?
So her head lag.
What is her diagnosis?
Hypoglycemia and strong breakfast.
What is the diagnosis?
Right! Mommy. Welcome back to my channel.
Stand up, please.
It's a girl. Yeah!
No, stop.
Done once.
Look
It's
at
a complex surgery, but I think it'll
Sister
work.
lick you.
Same donor, same surgery. Well, I'm
Do what?
starting a tumor while you two start working recovery.
When lick your
You're
fat?
not kidding.
When lick your fat?
Guitar.
Licking back.
Hey, come out for a drink with me at night. It'll be fun. It's trivia night.
What do you Harry? Licking back. Yeah, guys. So, as you can see, me and the kids, we took a Sunday. Today not even Sunday, but we take a Sunday evening walk. Oh God, we're tired, right, Ari? Say hi.
Hi.
Reminding people to subscribe
Yeah. To my video.
to her video. Aisha, say hi.
Hi.
So yeah, guys, we took a walk. We're now going back up to our house. Oh, me tired. I don't know why I took up. That's what me up on myself, you know. Yes, baby.
Me.
What you do?
Okay.
Don't wipe off no face. Don't take out no more wipes. Yeah, guys. So this is basically what I do all day. Wash, cook, clean, take care of my kids and sleep. I'm sorry I didn't get to like really incorporate a lot of the things that I do on a daily basis. But I tried, and that's the good thing. I did try. What, baby? Give me a hand. She does not want to walk. We went for a walk. She was excited to go for a walk, but she literally was in my hand the whole way. The entire way. She been in my hand. Yeah. So, me I want now go back to the house. Breathless. As you can see, I hope say no good and thing. I hope this vlog was a little bit interesting, even though we didn't really do much in it. But I hope say, you know, one and two people did get a laugh. Some people want to know what say. I heard this on TikTok today that Ariana, shut up. I heard this on TikTok today that whenever you're having sexual intercourse and you're going raw, then the male partner feels everything. I don't know how true it is. I only heard it. I didn't even check to research it. But if somebody on here that is watching this video right now knows about it, then you can enlighten my darkness, please and thanks. Because me no know if it's true or not. They said that when having sexual intercourse, the male partner can feel your heartbeat when he's inside. Is that true? Oh my God, that is some exciting stuff. So I would like to know, because me really not understand why is it that I was not one of the parties that would be able to feel somebody's heartbeat from in the inside. Me don't love no. Me don't love no why me never so fortunate. Yeah, because if the man them can feel how we heart feel from inside, and him, then we supposed to can feel our heartbeat feel too. Me not lie, was sometimes I actually feel, me not feel the heartbeat, but sometimes I feel like, sometimes I really feel that feeling. They me just lie down and water run out of me eye, and me just want to say, I love you, and if you give me bun, then me I go do this and me I go do that. I don't know if I want to get them type of feeling there, but me get them feeling there. So me I wonder if it's the same thing, like when the male them feel or heartbeat when they're inside. People, if you don't know how it go, please enlighten me darkness as me say, because me don't know how it go, and me would like know how it go. So if you don't know how it go, please tell me. So I just, me know so I hear the machine now. Yeah, this is the machine. I hope when I hear it. So I am now washing my second batch of clothes. I just pin out the first batch, washing the second batch. When I'm finished watching the second batch, I'm gonna take a shower, and then I'm finna go do another vlog for y'all. I'm gonna take out my ear when I'm back. I'm not able. So guys, I hope that y'all like this video. Give it a thumbs up, share, and comment.
I lost the picture.